Hello. We're here in Nampa today. Looks like a big bunch of crows decided to stop over here and eat. And look like it's birds taking over the house. So, with that, I guess we're out.